If your agency is not networked and running multiple standalone copies, you may wish to export a client's form and import them into another copy. First, choose the Move Forms to Disk option and select the forms you wish to copy. When you click OK, you can choose the location for the file and change the given name if you wish. Click Save. Locate the saved file and either copy it to disk or email it to the other program user. Once the other user has saved the file to their computer, they can go into Accords from any client and choose the Read Forms from Disk option. Browse to the location, select the saved file, and the client's forms will be imported, creating the client if the matching client is not found. As you are using the Move Forms to Disk, if you click Mark All, you will get an option to mark all forms for all customers. This will create a file called allbackup.sav that contains all clients and their forms. At times, agencies may use this option when trying to eliminate multiple copies. However, this may create unwanted duplicates. Make sure that you back up the receiving data prior to using the Read Forms to Disk option. If you are looking for ways to merge multiple standalone datasets, please contact Agency Software to discuss your options.